Hello, my dental friends. All right, so in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick, brief rundown on the importance of Google reviews and some of the tips that if you're not already doing, you should be doing because it's going to help you a lot. So here we go. All right, so first thing, when we have reviews, you always want to respond to them. The responses look just like this. You can see right here, that's just a response, right? So somebody needs to be responsible for that, whether it's a third-party company or it is internal staff, somebody's got to be responding to those, okay? Something else you can do is go in and like the posts. You can see down here, there's a blue thumb. These were clicked and liked. So this is something that your public, your patients can do. And this is something your staff could do, something you could do, whatever. But the point is, the more interactive you are with your Google business reviews, that's a good indicator because it shows that you are tentative to your communication. And when a potential new patient is out searching, among the many things they're looking at, these little types of things can be indications of, oh, he responded a week ago. They responded a week ago to this review. And of course, Google doesn't necessarily put the reviews in a specific order. They deem it as most relevant. So it can be a timeline, not depending on how many reviews you have. But point is, keep interactive with your Google reviews. Always respond to them and maintain them very well. And if you don't know how to maintain them or you need help sorting that out, go ahead and just reach out to us, goldendentalmarketing.com. We'd be happy to give you a free consult just to go over a couple of those topics. So, all right, hey, thanks a lot for watching. Good luck. Have a great day.